Welcome Naveen to Bangalore.
Hi, Praveen.
Nice meeting you here. In the context of um, the conference that we're doing, I would like to know your view of the Horizon conference.
Praveen, this is the first meeting where I wanted to push my colleagues and say go in as many numbers because it is a focused meeting where we have decided to spend the whole meeting in only numerical science and also try and bring and bridge together, as the name of the conference itself states, to look beyond what we are. And I hope really we can take the theme forward and bring some bridging together of West science in the Western world and our own, and produce our own work so that we can produce some results.
And it's key that clinical leaders like you and all are involved, and you will be leading this kind of a work. Now, coming to the overall Indian context of newborn care, what has been happening and which direction it is going in your opinion?
There is no doubt it is improving, but it is still happening at different levels. Best newborn care, probably very close to anywhere in the world, is happening in small setups in private sector, where leaders have come who have trained and they have managed to get the infrastructure and train their own manpower. They have a sense of quality and targets to meet. If the real step would be if medical schools where pediatric residents are being trained reach to that level. Then it will be a cascading process where probably every year we produce pediatricians who are focused on good neonatal care.
And the other important theme that we're following here is about research or actually improvement in the quality of the care, which is a very local solutions that we're looking at. What is your opinion on that?
You said it in the keywords that when we talk about research, if you look at the research question when you frame, the population is the first one. So if you're talking of a population which has been researched upon elsewhere, they are different, their problems are different, the answers are different. Maybe some time back we had no choices. We were not having the knowledge, we were not having the infrastructure, we did not have the training. But time has come where we really need to turn tables and probably produce answers which they would like to copy from us someday.
That would be very good, and that's one of the goals of this meeting. Now, coming to your unit, I'm aware that there are many issues locally. You look at continuously improving the quality of the care, and you have certain way of dealing with the problem. And I'm sure many of us would like to learn from that. Could you just enumerate how you go about a problem solving?
Yes, Praveen, I think we have the benefit of learning a little bit from formal quality systems that we have in our hospital, where safety and quality have been put as first targets of patient care. So when you do a therapeutic process, you admit a patient, the first question you need to ask yourself is, why is this patient here? What has to go back with? Once you have decided that there is a question to be answered, you find that there is a gap between what you're doing and what they're getting, then you need to start working on how we can reach that end point. The paradox is that there is no shortage of good science now. It is in reaching the people. So if we know breast milk is the best, that has been known for decades, but still we don't get enough. So we need to then look at it as, why is it not happening? It's not why, who is wrong, what is wrong, where is it wrong in the processes? Do the parents have lack of knowledge? Do we have lack of manpower to support systems? Do we have all those opportunities for them to be able to do what they want to do? Surely we don't reach all the solutions in one effort, but we get better every time.
So essentially, you identify a problem and you involve all the stakeholders
Correct.
who are concerned with that problem, and then you analyze what's been happening or audit what's been happening.
Correct.
And compare with the standards,
Absolutely.
put in processes, and continuously keep
True.
re-evaluating as such.
Although we do borrow ideas from people's experiences, from published material, from other hospitals, but finally I think there is no way of being sure unless you test it for yourself. And a good result should show. So if you are not better off than where you started off, it wouldn't be useful. And like you said, audit is the only way. You have to go on asking yourself questions: am I doing better?
Fantastic, and it will be shown up in your results the way that continuously newborns are getting the better and better care at your center.
Right.
And I thank you for giving me this time and sharing your
Praveen.
views.
To be honest, I am very happy to be here in this meeting. It's an opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.